So now you know why I can't sleep, because this is what happens every morning between doggy one, yes, yes, and doggy two. They're both misbehaving. At the moment they're not misbehaving, of course, because I'm filming, but usually they're misbehaving and playing all the time. Jedi, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, baby? What do you have to say? Saba Saba. Saba Saba. What is Saba saying? Yes! What is Saba saying? Talk! Talk! Saba, talk! Talk! Jedi! Saba! Oh, here you go. That's what I'm talking about. One of them takes the toy, the other one wants it back. And then it goes for hours. Saba! Saba! You going to talk to me? No? You want to talk to me? Good. Actually, don't like it.